The age of the older of two boys is thrice that of the younger, and 9 years ago it was 5 times that of the younger. Find the present age of each. Here, presently, out of two boys, older one is 3 times that of the younger one, 3 times older than that of the younger one, and 9 years ago, older one is 5 times older than the younger one. Now you can see 9 years ago, older one's age is a multiple of 5. Now check for the multiple of 5. Here 54 minus 9 is 45, which is a multiple of 5. Now 51 minus 9 not a multiple of 5. 36 minus 9 not a multiple of 5. 45 minus 9 not a multiple of 5. Which means option 4 is your answer. That is 18 and 54. Age of older one is 54 and age of younger one is 18. Next is the price of an electric bike was 1,25,000 last year. This year price got decreased by 30%. What is the price of the electric bike this year? Decreased by 30% means current year price is 70%, which means 10% of 1,25,000 is 12,500. So we need 70%. 70% is equal to 12,500 into 7. 25 into 7 is 175. So remaining one, 7 into 1 plus 1, 8. So 87,500. Option 2 is your answer. The respective ratio between numerical values of curved surface area and volume of the right circular cylinder is 2:3. If the respective ratio between radius and height of the cylinder is 3:7, what is the total surface area of the cylinder? Here total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. So 2 pi r into r plus h. Now here ratio of radius and height is given as 3:7, which means r plus h is 3 plus 7, 10 part. R plus h is equal to 3 plus 7, 10 part. Now here you can see, here in total surface area we have r plus h is 10 part and here 2 pi r, that is pi into 2r. Here r is equal to 3 part. So 2 into r is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. So 6 into 10 is equal to 60 pi. So this is around 60 pi or multiple of 60 pi. Now if you look at the option, you can see 60 pi is in the option and no multiple of 60 is in the option. So we can choose 60 pi, option 2 as your answer. Find the number when successively divided by 3, 5 and 7 is remainder 2, 1 and 3 respectively. And the last quotient is 3. Here there is a shortcut, that is when a number is divided by 3, 5 and 7 leaves you remainder 2, 1 and 3. Now last quotient is 3 means when a number is divided by 7 it will gives you 3. Now multiply 7 with 3. 7 into 3 is 21. Then add the remainder, that is 21 plus 3 is 24. Again multiply 24 with 5. 24 into 5 is 120. Then add remainder. So 120 plus 1 is 121. Again multiply 121 with 3. 121 into 3 is 363. Add remainder 2. So 363 plus 2 is 365 is your answer. So option 3 is your answer. 365. Now the concept here is equal to, when you divide 365 with 3, it will give you 121. Now the remainder here is 2. Again when you divide 121 with 5, it will give you 24. And remainder here is equal to 1. Again when you divide 24 with 7, it will give you last quotient 3 and here remainder is 3. Here last quotient is 3 means take the last divisor 7. That is when a number x is divided by 7, it will give you 3 and remainder 3. Which means x here is equal to 7 into 3 plus 3. So x is equal to 24. That is x is 7 into 3 plus 3, which is 24. Now, when a number y divided by 5, it will give you 24 and remainder 1. That is, here y is equal to 24 into second divisor 5 plus remainder 1, which is equal to 121. Now, when a number divided by 3, it will give you 121 and remainder 2. So, which means 121 into 3 plus remainder 2 is that number, that is 365. That is, here consider the number as x. So, x when divided by 3 will give you remainder 2 and quotient y. So, y when divided by 5 will give you remainder 1 and quotient z. Z when divided by 7 will give you remainder 3 and last quotient 3. This is successive division. So always remember that. Now we can see z is equal to 7 into 3 plus 3. 7 into 3 plus 3 is z. 7 into 3 plus 3 is z. That is 24. So z is equal to 24. Again y is equal to 24 into 5 plus 1. That is 121. Again x is equal to 121 into 3 plus 2, 365. In a circle, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which A is drawn parallel to CD. BA is produced to F. If angle ABC is 85 degree and angle FAE is 24 degree, find the value of angle BCD. Here this is circle and here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. Now this is ABC is 85 degree means opposite angle is 180 minus 85, that is 95 degree. And here AE is drawn parallel to CD. This is CD. Now draw AE parallel to CD. And you can see these two lines are parallel lines, which means these two angles are alternate angles. Alternate angles are same. Now, here BA produced to F. This is BA. So, extend BA to F. Here, this angle is given as 24 degree. This is 24 degree. Which means if these two angles are 95 and 24, then this angle is equal to 95 plus 24, that is 119 degree. Option 4 is your answer. Because this angle is equal to 180 minus 95 plus 24, that is 190. Then opposite angle is equal to 190 degree. If 18 out of 75 toys are for boys and rest are for girls, what is the percentage of girls' toys? Here 18 toys out of 75 are for boys. So if you take percentage of boys' toys, 10 percentage of 75 is equal to 7.5. So 20 percentage is 15, which means this 18 is around 20 percentage. Then girls percentage is equal to 80 percentage, nearly 80 percentage. Here nearly 80 percentage is option 4. So option 4 is your answer. That is girls percentage is equal to 57 toys are for. If 18 are for boys, then remaining 57 are for girls. So 57 out of 75 into 100 is 76 percentage. Actually, you don't need this because you know 18 is nearly 20 percentage. So go for nearly 80 percentage. A person drives 110 miles at 55 miles per hour. He drives the next 120 miles at 60 miles per hour and then he drives the next 60 miles in an hour. What is the average speed of the entire journey in miles per hour? Here, average speed means total distance by total time because here distance are varying. Now here total distance is 110 plus 120 plus 60, which is equal to 180 plus 110, 290. And total time means 110 miles at 55 miles per hour means 2 hour. 110 by 55, 2 hour. Here 120 miles at 60 miles per hour means 120 by 60, 2 hour. And here also 60 miles in an hour means 1 hour. So total time is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5 hour, which is equal to 58 miles per hour. So option 1 is your answer. In a triangle ABC, two medians AD and BE intersect at G at right angles. If AD is 18 cm, BE is 12 cm, then the length of BD is equal to. Here, this is the triangle ABC. Now, two medians AD and BE. Median always bisects the base. Now these two lengths are equal. This is AD. Same way, BE is another median, which means these two lengths are equal. Now these two medians intersect at G. This point is G at right angles, which means angle between two medians is 90 degree. Now AD is 18 cm and BE is 12 cm. Before that, always remember medians bisects at 2:1 ratio. Medians bisects at 2:1 ratio. That means, which means this length is 2 part and this length is 1 part. So 2 plus 1, 3 part is AD. So AD is 3 part means 3 part is equal to 18. Then 1 part is equal to 6 centimeter. If 1 part is 6 centimeter, then 2 part is equal to 2 into 6, 12 centimeter and 1 part is equal to 6 centimeter. Now same way, this median also bisects at 2:1 ratio. Now here BE is 12 centimeter, which means 2 plus 1, 3 part is equal to 12 centimeter, then 1 part is equal to 4 centimeter. If 1 part is 4 centimeter, this length is equal to 4 centimeter and this length is equal to 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. Now we need to find the length of BD here. And here question says these two medians intersect at right angle. So this angle is 90 degree, which means this is a right angle triangle. In that case, one is 6, other is 8. Then third side must be 10 centimeter. So option 1 is your answer. That is 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. What is the value of the following expression? Here solve this bracket first. 9 into 20, 180, 180 plus 9, 189. So this is equal to 189 by 20. Now 5 into 9, 45, 45 plus 1, 46. So 46 by 9. Here 7 into 8, 56, 56 plus 7, 63. So this will become 63 by 8. Now if you solve, here 9 goes 2 times in 80, 9 goes 1 time in 9. 2 goes 23 times in 46. Now you can solve, this is division but you can solve it from here. 21 goes 3 times in 63. Now this will become 3 by 8, division I will write it as into, then into 10 by 23. Now this is equal to 2 goes 4 times in 8, 2 goes 5 times in 10. So 15 by 4 into 23. 15 by 4 into 23 means 4 into 20, 80, 4 into 3, 12. So 92. So this bracket will become 15 by 92. So remaining plus 1 by 2. Here solve this one, this section. Now this is equal to 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 into 5 into 3 plus 1, 16 by 3. Now 2 goes 8 times in 60. So this will become 40 by 3. Now solve this. That is, here 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 into 4 by 7. Now, this is 4 by 7 into 9 by 2 divided by, I will write it as into 3 by 40. Now, this will become 4 goes 10 times in 40. So, remaining 27 by denominator 140. So, this will become 27 by denominator 140 minus 15 by 92 plus 1 by 2. Now, I will write this 1 by 2 here. Now, solve this. So, this will become 1 by 2 plus 27 by 140. Take 140 as denominator. Now, 2 goes 70 times in 140. So, 70 plus 27, 97 numerator minus 15 by 92. Now, 97 by 140, I will take it as 9.7 by 14. Now, 9.7, I will approximate it as 10. So, this will become 10 into 92 means 920 minus 14 into 15 as 210. Now, you can see in numerator, you have 3-digit number. If you look at the option, 3-digit number in the numerator, only option 1 is matching. That is, only option 1 have 3-digit number in the numerator. So, option 1 is your answer. So, this is around 853 divided by 1610. Just take the approximate value, don't go for the calculation. The surface area of two spheres are in the ratio 25:36. What is the ratio of their volumes? If this is surface area, this is R1 square is to R2 square, which means R1 is 5 and R2 is 6. Then their volume is in the ratio 5 cube is to 6 cube. That is option 3 is your answer. 125 by 216. That is, surface area means 4 pi r square, which means this 25 is to 36 means this is R1 square is to R2 square. Then from this R1 is 5 and R2 is root 36 6. Then their volume ratio means volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. But we don't need 4 by 3 pi. We just take R1 cube by R2 cube, which is equal to 5 cube by 6 cube, that is 125 by 216. A and B can do a piece of work in 8 days and B alone can do it in 16 days. In how many days can A do it alone? Here A and B together do a work in 8 days and B alone do it in double of 8, that is 16 days, which means A also do it in 16 days. That's why they both together do in 8 days. So option 4 is your answer. That is, here A plus B together complete a work in 8 days and B alone complete it in 16 days. Now both are doing the same work, take the LCM. LCM is 16. 8 goes 2 times in 16, 16 goes 1 times in 16, which means A plus B efficiency is 2 and B efficiency is 1. If B efficiency is 1, then A plus B efficiency is 2 means A efficiency is also 1. If both the person's efficiencies are same, which means if B do it in 16 days, A also do it in 16 days. If sin theta is 2xy by x square plus y square, then the value of tan theta is, sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Now tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Now you can see opposite side is in numerator, that is 2xy is in numerator. Here if you look at the option 2 is your answer. 2xy is in numerator. And you can see here this is hypotenuse. X square plus y square is hypotenuse. So here we need, in denominator we need adjacent side. So x square plus y square should not be in denominator. So option 4 is also eliminated. So you can confirm option 2 is your answer. That is, if you draw a right angle triangle, this is theta, then sin theta is 2xy by x square plus y square. Then tan theta is equal to 2xy by x square minus y square. PQ is diameter of circle with center O. The tangents at R meets PQ produced at A. If RPQ is 27 degree, then measure of RQP is. Here, this is the circle with center O. Now, PQ is a diameter. PQ is the diameter. And here tangents at R means PQ produced at A. Tangents at R means this point R must be on the circumference of the circle. We don't know where is point R, so it can be anywhere on the circumference. Now, angle RPQ is 27 degree, which means this RPQ angle is 27 degree. Then you can see this is diameter PQ. So diameter can create angle 90 degree with any point of the circumference of the circle. Which means this point R is on the circumference of the circle means this angle PRQ is 90 degree. If PRQ is 90 degree, we need what is RQP. That is this angle. This angle is equal to, if this is 90, 90 plus 27 is equal to 117. So remaining will be 63 degree. So option 1 is your answer. Actually, you don't need to draw the tangents here. That is to mislead the question. That is, here tangents at R means PQ produced at A. Here, if this is the tangents, this is tangents, this tangents will meet PQ produced at A. Consider we are extending this PQ. Now this is point A, then tangents meet here. Actually, we don't need this part. That is to mislead you, to confuse your diagram. Ram travelled an equal distance with the speed of 40 km per hour, 45 km per hour and 60 km per hour. What is the average speed of Ram during the whole journey? Here distance is equal. Now take the LCM of 40, 45 and 60. We have 3 speeds. So if I take LCM of these 3 is equal to 360. Now average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. In that case, total distance, first 360 covered in 40 km per hour. So second 360 covered in 45 and third 360 covered in 60 km per hour. So total distance is 360 into 3 divided by time taken is equal to 360 by 40 is 9 hours and 360 by 45 is equal to 8 hours. 360 by 60 is equal to 6 hours, which means here this is equal to 360 into 3 divided by 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 9 23. Now if I consider this as 24, this goes 3 goes 8 times in 24. Now 8 goes 4 times in 32, remaining 40. So 8 goes 5 times in 45. So this is around 45. Around 45 because we have here too much difference between the options. So option 4 is your answer. Your answer is 46.96. 3 persons ran for office and got 1,136, 7,636, 11,628 votes. What was the winning candidate's percentage of the total votes? Here winning percentage is equal to most votes received is 11,628. Out of total votes is 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 6 20, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 1 14, 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 1 20 into 100. Now 4 goes 5 times in 20, 4 goes 1 time in 4, 4 goes 2 time in 11, 4 goes 9 times in 36, 4 goes 7 times in 28. Now 51 goes 5 times in 290. 51 into 5 is 255. Remaining 35. So 51 goes 7 times in 35. So 57% is your answer. Option 4 is your answer. You can't approximate because this is 59 and this is 57. So do the proper calculation. Ravi sells his goods at 25% loss on cost price but uses 45% less weight. What is his percentage profit or loss? Take the cost price and sell price ratio. That is, here 25% loss on cost price means if 100 rupees is the cost price, 100 minus 25, 75 rupees is the sell price. This is cost price and this is sell price. Now, to gain profit, he uses 45% less weight, which means when customer asking for 100 kg, he give 45% less weight. That is, he only give 55 kilogram. That is, he only cost 55 kg cost, but he will get 100 kg price. That is, customer will pay for 100 kilogram cost, but he only give 55 kilogram. So, he only cost 55 kilogram cost. Now, take the ratio. 5 goes 11 times in 55, 5 goes 15 times in 75. So, 11 and 15 is the cost price and sell price, which means here 4 part is the gain out of this 11 part cost price. So, profit here is equal to 4 part gain from 11 part cost price into 100. Now, 400 by 11 means 11 goes 3 times in 40, remaining 7. 11 goes 6 times in 70, remaining 4. So, 36 4 by 11. Option 4 is your answer. Two circles touch each other at point O. AB is a simple common tangent to both the circles touching at point A and B. If radii of the circles are 9 cm and 4 cm, then find AB. AB means common tangent. Here these two circles meet at point O and radius of these two circles are 9 cm and 4 cm. Now you can see distance between center of these two circles is 9 plus 4, 13. That is, distance between center of these two circles is equal to R1 plus R2. In that case, length of the tangent, length of the common tangent passing through these two circles is equal to 2 root RR, which is equal to 2 into root of 9 into 4, which is 2 root 36, that is 12 centimeter. So, option 3 is your answer. That is, whenever you have distance between center of two circles is R1 plus R2, then length of the common tangent is 2 root RR. Now, if you don't know this formula, just use the diagram to find the answer. That is, this length is radius, which is 4. Here, this is also radius, which is 9. But if I draw a line here, you can see this is a right angle triangle because radius makes 90 degree with the tangent. Now, this length is equal to 9 plus 4, 13, and here this is 4, then this is 5. Now, if this is 5 and this is 13, this is a triplet. Now, third length is 12. Now, there is a short trick to find triplets. Here, 5 and 13 is given. Now, we have to find the third length. Here, 5 is an odd number and 5 is the smallest among 5 and 13. Now, take the square of 5. 5 square is 25. Now, divide it with 2, which is equal to 12.5. Now, you can see in 12.5, 13 is here. Now, 12 is the third line. That is, when you divide 5 square with 2, we will get 12.5. Now, you have 13 here. Now, 12 is the third line. So, in this way, you can find the triplets. If 2q proportional to 8 raised to 5.06 as 8 raised to minus 4.06 proportional to x. Here, in this case, product of the inner terms is equal to product of the outer terms. That is, 2 cube into x is equal to 8 raised to 5.06 into 8 raised to minus 4.06. whenever you have a raised to m into a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m plus n. So this is equal to 8 raised to 5.06 minus 4.06 is 1. So which is equal to 2 cube into x, which means x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So option 2 is your answer. Following graph shows production of two types of cars A and B by a company over the years 2016 to 21. In how many of the given years was the production of type A cars more than the average production of this type of car in the given years? That is, here we need average of type A cars. Average of type A cars is equal to 400 plus 300 plus 250, that is 950. 950 plus 200 is equal to 1150. 1150 plus 100 is 1250. 1250 plus 125 is 1375 divided by total number of years is 6 years, which is equal to 229. 229 point something. So here if you look at this, you can see in 2019, 20 and 21, 250, 300 and 400 are the production of types of car rate, which is greater than average. So in 3 years, we have 3 years. So option 2 is your answer. The given table shows marks obtained by 100 students out of 50 marks in mathematics and physics examination. If at least 60% marks in physics are required for pursuing higher studies in physics, how many students will be eligible to pursue higher studies in physics? Here, required mark to pursue higher studies in physics is 60%. So, total marks in an exam is 50 marks. So 60% of 50 is required, which is equal to 30 marks. So we need 30 or above marks to pursue physics in higher studies. If you look at this, 30 or above is equal to 21 people in physics. So option 4 is your answer. Reshma took a loan of rupees 12 lakh with simple interest for as many years as rate of interest. She paid rupees 9 lakh 72,000 as interest at the end of the loan period. What was the rate of interest per annum? Here take the ratio of principal and total interest. 0, 0 cancel. 12 goes 8 times in 96. Remaining 12. 12 goes 1 times in 12. So this is like 100 part principal and total 81 part interest. So total 81 part interest generated out of this 100 part principal. Now 81 part interest means this interest is generated for t years at the rate of r% interest. Now here number of years and rate of interest is same. That is time period is same as rate of interest. Which means here we need rate of interest. So I'll write this t into r as r square. Because t is equal to r. So r square is equal to 81 means r is equal to root of 81, that is 9. 9%. Option 4 is your answer. Find the value of following. Here 7 by 7 by 7. This is in the form of a by b by c. So a by b by c is equal to a by bc. Same way 7 by 7 by 7 means 7 by 49, which is equal to 1 by 7. Here 5 by 5 by 5 means 5 by 25, which is 1 by 5. Here 3 into 3 divided by 3. Here 3 by 3 into 3. This will become 3 by 3 into 3, which is equal to 3. So here in denominator you have 3 plus 1 by 5. Same way here 7 by 8. 7 by 8 into 8 means 7. So here you have in numerator you have 7 plus 8 cancel, remaining 7. 7 plus 1 by 7. Now from this you can approximate the value, that is 7 plus 7 is 14, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 14 by 6 is around 2. Here if you look at the option 3 is your answer. That is, this will become 14 plus 1 by 7. 7 into 14 is 98. 98 plus 1 is 99. So 99 by 7. Here this will become divided by will come into. Now 6 plus 1 by 5 means 5 into 6 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So 5 by 31. Now if you look at this, here 31 goes around 3 times. So 3 into 5, 15. 15 by 7 is equal to around 2 times. So approximate the values, don't go for the calculation because you have variation in options. The sides of cuboids are in the ratio 3:4:5. Its surface area is equal to the surface area of the cube with side 6 unit. What is the approximate volume of cuboid? Here, surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Same way, volume is equal to LBH. Now, surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. Now, if you look at this, here, surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into, here 3 sides are in the ratio 3:4:5, which means if I take one side as 3 part, second side as 4 part, third side as 5 part, you can see 3 into 4 is 12. So 12 part square plus 4 into 5 is 20 part square plus 3 into 5 is 15 part square. So this is the surface area, which is equal to 2 into 12 plus 20 plus 15 is equal to 47. So 47 part square. 2 into 47 part square, which is equal to surface area of cube with side 6. Surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. Side is equal to 6 means this is equal to 6 cube, which is 216. Now p square is equal to 216 divided by 2 into 47, which is 94. Now p is equal to root of 216 by 94. 2 goes 47 times in 94. 2 goes 110 times in 216. Now if I approximate the value, here we can take the approximate volume. So if I approximate, 12 goes 4 times in 48. I'll consider it as 48 instead of 47. Now 12 goes 9 times in 108. So this is around 3 by 2. This is around 3 by 2. So if P is 3 by 2, here we need volume. Volume is equal to LBH. LBH is equal to 3 into 4 into 5, which is 60 P cube. 3 part into 4 part into 5 part is 3 into 4 into 5 into P cube. So 60 P cube is equal to 60 into 3 cube, 27 by 2 cube 8. Now 4 goes 2 times in 8, 4 goes 15 times in 60. And if I approximate it as 28, 2 goes 14 times in 27. So 15 into 14 is 210. So this is approximate value. So option 1 is your answer. Question clearly says you can approximate. Study the given 3-dimensional chart and answer the question that follows. The chart details sale of fruit in different months. In which month was sale of melons the lowest and by how much was it more than the sale of oranges in that month? Here, if you look at this graph, melon is green color. Green color graph is melon. Now, melon is lowest in June month. That is, in June month, sale of melon is 20. And in the same month, Sale of orange. Sale of orange is this yellow color, which is 70. I can see sale of melon is equal to 20. In the same month, sale of orange is equal to 70. Now, how much greater than orange? Which is 3 greater than oranges. So, option 2 is your answer. In June month, is 3 greater than orange. The following bar graph shows sales of magazines from 6 branches of a publishing company during 2 consecutive years, 2021 and 2022. What percentage of average sales of branches ABC in 2022 is the average sales of branches of ACF in 2021? Here 2021 shows blue bars and 2022 shows orange bars. Now x-axis shows magazines and y-axis shows percentage sales. Here we need average sales of ABC from 2022. 2022 orange bars. So take ABC from this orange bars, which is equal to 105 plus 65 plus 110. So average sales of ABC is equal to 105 plus 65 is equal to 170. 170 plus 110 is 280. So 280 by 3 is the average sale. Now we need average sales of ACF, which is equal to, take the blue bars from ACF, that is 80 plus 95 plus 70. 80 plus 70, 150. 150 plus 95 is equal to 245. So which is equal to 245 divided by 3. Average sale is 245 by 3. Now we need what percentage of ABC is ACF. Required percentage is equal to what percentage of ABC is ACF. So ABC is 280 and ACF is 245. Here 3 will cancel each other. So just take 245 and 280. Now 245 by 280 into 100 is equal to 7 goes 4 times in 28. 0 0 cancel. 7 goes 3 times in 21. Remaining 3. 7 goes 5 times in 35. So 35 by 4 means 87.5%. So option 3 is your answer. That is ACF is 35% of ABC. ACF is 35% of ABC.